Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Raise a Crazy Beauty, chapter 33. So here it is. Let's read the story. What if I want to eliminate Xiaorong? You want to go against me too? Right now, the princess said, Father, but the emperor seems to be laughing. Ha ha, just kidding. When did I refuse what Anle wants? Let her be your horse. Would you like to? I know that my father loves me the most. His father allowed me to marry. Right now, the princess, she was asking for Xiaorong. The princess, whatever you want. Anle has no ambition, brains, and has not yet become princess regent at all. Oh, the emperor. He was really smart person. You can tie the military power and the prince together, but the princess can. She was pertaining to the nine princes, right? That's why she gave Xiaorong the little princess, and for him, it's not red if the princess and Xiaorong will be together. One night, Xiaorong was still contained in one of the palace. Now, she's being impatient. She was looking at the window. She was waiting for the news for the princess or the Princess Baiman. Until now, still on the house confinement. That's why she's getting angry. Also, thinking about Princess Baiman. What's happening to her? Clearly, little princess is having tantrums. Now, she got really worried about Princess Baiman. What a pity. Our step is getting slower. Well, she has a plan. Right now, she can really do it because she was confined. You are really at all disobedient, thinking that it's better to put under house arrest, but you accidentally put a sleep away, or the chain is better. Now, she really thinks too much. Xiaorong, this is the result of being confined. She was thinking so much. Customize a valuable chain with the shiniest metal and the most flexible collar. Well, what is she thinking right now? And use the chain. Don't worry about you sleeping again. It's forever and ever. Oh, her imagination is really going too far. Stay by my side. Master, there's a new news from the palace. Now, her imagination is getting stuffed. The news really came in. About the emperor. He will give you the Princess Anle and gave up Dugushan marriage. Oh, it turns out. Finally, the emperor, Princess Anle's wishes to be married with her. Well, this is wrong. Her, of course, she doesn't love the little princess, and she only wants Princess Baiman. It's the meeting for the Princess Anle. Nine princes, the nine kings, are holding right now. The emperor allowed General Xiaorong to marry you. Why did you suddenly point to marriage? Right now, Princess Baiman, she was really thinking too much. Only a day after the flower viewing banquet, this is the emperor's next draft. But right now, Princess Baiman, she really can't help but to think about it. Yes, please tell me, sister-in-law, how to manage life after marriage. Princess Asle was asking her, especially, oh, shy people. Nine princes and the nine kings are looking at each other. Well, because they really know how to tell her. Well, definitely she was right. There's more happening, but instead, with Xiaorong itself. Nine King was coughing. Knight, I'll go to your place. Now, the Nine Kings know what is the things he's been lacking. Thank you, your highness. Traces of being teased by Xiaorong during the flower viewing banquet. Oh, this is really serious. How can she hide the traces? Why did Duguyan come to find Xu Shao again? Now, she was really thinking hard. Oops, what are you whispering? The little princess was really happy. Asked her, aren't you happy for me? She is really happy. Her wish is finally coming true. But suddenly right now, Princess Baiman, she really got in shock. Well, probably she don't know how to answer her. Sister-in-law, sister-in-law, the little princess is calling her. Finally, she regained her consciousness. Well, right now, the princess said, of course, I am happy. Xiaorong led the debris. Well, she seems not to be happy, of course. It was Xiaorong. That is the nature of Shanner, is my Dugu royal family. As long as Shanners want wrong. That's right, little princess said. Hey guys, the story is getting better. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!